Objects P and Q respectively start moving from points with the position vectors -5, 7 meters and 1, -10 meters, with constant velocities 3, -1 meters per second and 1, 4 meters per second. Use a scalar product method to find the closest distance between P and Q. State when and where this occurs. Okay, so we can write down that Rp at time t is equal to -5, 7 plus t 3, -1, and that Rq at time t is equal to 1, -10 plus t 1, 4. And we can write that as 3t take away 5, -t plus 7, and this one would be t plus 1, and 4t take away 10. Then P relative to Q at time t is going to be Rp take away Rq. So 3t take away 5, take away t plus 1. So 3t take away t is 2t. -5 take away 1 is -6. And then -t take away 4t is -5t. And 7 take away -10 is plus 17. Now we also need PVQ. That's the relative velocity. And we get that just by doing V of P take away V of Q. So we're only interested in the velocity parts, which are here and here. So we have 3 take away 1, which is 2, and -1 take away 4, which is -5. And you'll notice that's the coefficients of t over here. So we could have got that vector from there. And now what we want to do is dot those. So we get 2t take away 6, -5t plus 17, dot 2, -5, and we're interested in where that is equal to 0. So that gives me 4t take away 12 plus 25t take away 85 is equal to 0. So 29t would be equal to 97. So t is going to be 97 over 29. Now at this time, Rp would be, we're using this up here, 3 times 97 over 29, take away 5, and -97 over 29 plus 7. And that gives us, let's put the 29 out here, 1 over 29, 146, 106. So that's the position of P at that time. And then we can use this expression up here for RQ. So RQT would be equal to 97 over 29 plus 1, and 4 times 97 over 29, take away 10. So let's see what that gives us. And that gives us 126, 98, and I've taken the 1 over 29 out front. Now we could also evaluate this to get the distance, but we can actually get the distance from those two vectors there as well. The distance between those two would be 1 over 29, or sorry, the relative vector. Let's do 146 take away 126, which is 20. And then we've got 106 take away 98, which is 8. And so the distance between them would be 1 over 29, the square root of 20 squared plus 8 squared. And that is approximately 0.743. I suppose we could have given an exact answer, but the decimal answer is fine for our purposes.